Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Robinhood crypto transfer limit. First, open the Robinhood app and log in. Tap the profile icon at the bottom, then tap the three-line menu at the top. From the menu, tap Crypto to view your current send and receive limits. To increase your limit, go back to the menu and scroll down. Tap Robinhood, then tap Contact Us 24/7 support. From here, reach out to the support team and request a limit increase. They'll ask you to verify your identity and may request some personal information. Once approved, your transfer limit will be increased. And that's it. That's how to increase your Robinhood crypto transfer limit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.